Bonjour, bonsoir tout le monde. Nos femmes c'est Kirin, je reçois animatrice en Almanger. En Almanger, c'est une émission qui présente des recettes haïtiennes et l'autre nation yo tout. En Almanger, invité des chefs ou des cooks sur plateau qui pour montrer nous qui gens yo préparer recipe ça ou de façon pa yo que ou même qui a regardé dans moment qu'a fait la caille tout. En Almanger tout, aller dans restaurant haïtien nous yo pour nous montrer qui gens yo même yo préparer recipe ça ou que ou après sorti ou l'acheter dans yo. Si tu as été connecté avec un Almanger, pas oublier ou bien pas hésiter, cliquer sur la cloche notification ou bien subscribe button. Comme ça tout, ou ka suivre nous sur Facebook, Instagram qui c'est @unalmanger. Non pas m'se Kirin, je François regarder un Almanger. Ciao. Bonjour, bonsoir tout le monde. Non pas m'se Kirin, je François, bienvenue encore dans un Almanger. Jeudi, on porte un baker pour nous. Nous pourrons connaître qui ça qui est un baker très bientôt, qui est located dans Orlando, Florida. Mais avant que moi mène baker sur plateau, je demande nous pour nous abonner, like, share vidéo avec famille, ZANMI, c'est pour l'emporter un chef, un restaurant, un baker ou bien n'importe activité culturelle pour nous. C'est le premier monde qui est au courant. BELDLITES, venez introduire tout avec Peuple Almanger. Bienvenue.
Bonjour tout le monde, moi c'est Dina avec BELDLITES and today we are stepping into my kitchen. We are making cupcakes.
Cupcakes, qui c'est pumpkin en créole. Pumpkin. Nous allons manger pumpkin jeudi. So, BELDLITES, est-ce que vous avez dit mon cap garder là qui ça ou pas utiliser pour faire cupcake / pumpkin là?
Oui, so now commencé with our wet ingredients. So I already mixed in all of my wet stuff and I'm just going to be cracking 3 eggs and opening up, putting into our wet ingredients, and then we're going to work on some buttercream. I like to do a little bit of American buttercream and Swiss buttercream. So we're going to be making some Swiss buttercream and then we're going to be decorating. So stay tuned.
Okay, real quick, baker Dina, did I pronounce it right this time? Good. Okay, so like I just asked you off camera, like kisa saye, and you also have eggs over there. So what's the difference? Why do you have some eggs here and some eggs there? Like,
okay. So one of my favorite things, I'm going to start here first. One of my favorite things to make, when I first started making cakes, I hated the texture of American buttercream. Okay. So we're making Swiss meringue buttercream, and with Swiss meringue the base is egg whites. So this is egg whites and these are regular eggs. So regular eggs is going to go into my wet batter for my cake, but we're going to multitask and make buttercream the same time we're making cake.
Okay, okay. So, we won't be about me when Tikral to
She was pushing right now. Sama for first, Belle, I'm there sa, and then no bolla, there you go. And then moi-même, I'm there avec let moi, I'm getting l'huile, I'm getting amaretto liquor, I'm getting essence, tout ça dans ça.
Pour cupcake là.
Pour cupcake.
I can't wait to taste it. Okay, I'm ready.
Alright.
So, my first question for you, right? So how did you start it with this whole making sweet dessert instead of becoming like a general chef?
A general chef. So
yeah.
I love food. Moi-même manger en pile.
Me too. That makes it two of us because look what I'm doing.
And tout le temps, le petit monde était toujours avec maman dans la cuisine. And j'aimais garder, moi-même aider les gens des fois, mais Lem to finish high school moi ici. I went to Gainesville and I worked a part-time job at a retirement community. Side note, I love working with seniors. That's my passion. I went to school for it. So I started in the dining kitchen, serving seniors and just doing that. And I just fell in love with the kitchen and the seniors. And then from there, I would be helping making sweets, and I would make it for my friends and family. And they're like, "Oh, girl, you need to really look into this because you're really good at it.
You need your own business.
Right? You're really good at making desserts." So this batter is done, and I'm gonna mix my wet batter into my dry batter.
Okay. So how many butters from?
We're gonna do all of this.
Tout net?
Yes, tout net.
Okay. No problem.
Smell this. You smell that? So I don't make Haitian cake, but this is the closest thing to Haitian cake.
Really?
Yeah.
You never tried?
No.
You don't want to?
I do. We're actually gonna go to Haiti soon, and we got some bakers in my family. I'm gonna try to get them to show me a little thing or two. I've had the request so many times. And
I love me some Haitian cake. Oh my god. Ok, nous sommes à cake batter. Je ne parle pas en baker aujourd'hui parce que je ne suis pas un baker, but I'm in her world. So, yes, nous sommes à cake batter baker dinner. So, what's next?
So, Kunya, nous allons prendre our ice cream scooper and nous allons scoop some batter into the cups and bake it for about 20 minutes.
Yay, and I have one too. I guess we're going to do that. No, sound. Okay, let me get started on mine. Does it matter how full?
Well, we do want a full scoop.
Okay, good. Good. Okay, nous pouvons plein cupcake you nous mettez assez qu'on y a là qui ça nous va faire. Alors, nous te disons qu'on combat ça. Nous allons mettre dans le four.
That's right.
Yeah, that was so hard. So
go ahead and do that.
Let's go. Teamwork.
Pop it in right here, and we're gonna see you in 15 minutes. But while that's going on, I did forget to mention we're going to be working on our buttercream.
Yeah, buttercream qui c'est glace là qui peut aller sous pomme cake là. Okay, nous sommes fait glace. Comment on dit ça?
Swiss meringue buttercream.
Swiss meringue buttercream. Qui c'est glace, nous allons mettre sur cupcake là. Nous sommes fait là deux. So,
go ahead.
So, que là, nous allons dire qui l'autre step là pour nous avancer.
Okay, so we'll separate the Swiss meringue buttercream into 3 bowls. Nous allons mettre couler là-dedans.
Okay.
So we're gonna get some spring themed cupcakes ready.
Okay, vacances à venir. Spring cupcakes. Let's go.
All right. So I'm just gonna put a little bit. So we're gonna be working with 3 different colors. Just gonna get that mixing. And yeah.
So nous allons faire icing pour cupcake là. Icing, a lot just happened. Like just a little bit. So much just happened.
Okay.
Nous étions cupcake là, put it on the side so they can cool off. I'm learning. My papa on packet right là. So I'll play assistant some days. Who knows? But now nous allons choisir couleur. But before we choose the colors, nous avons 2-3 questions pour vous. So, comment vous choisissez les couleurs? Est-ce que c'est vous-même qui freestyle, comme si c'est un modèle cupcake? Alors, pas gâteau, not the cakes, the cupcakes.
Right.
Do you like freestyle? You just give them, you know, colors you think that's popping, that's good for them? Or you guys have meetings, so je t'en parle, puis choisir les couleurs?
Ça dépend avec clients. So sometimes they would, so we're gonna do spring theme, but sometimes they would ask, you know, for, hey, it's my sister loves pink, or you know, they'll tell me like a TV show and I'm able to freestyle, but it all depends on the client.
So we put a little bit.
It goes a long way.
Wow.
It's spring, so it's soft colors. My green, don't do that.
Yeah,
my green is gonna be thicker because we're gonna try to do a grass concept. And then this is gonna be yellow. It goes a long way. Trust me. See?
Yeah, it's working, guys.
It's working.
I don't know nothing.
You're doing a great job, though. Doing a great job.
Am I okay? You just mix them, right? There's no special way to
do it.
Okay.
With colors, I love to hand mix my colors.
Okay. So, nous avons regardé même qui a fait cupcake pour nous. but moun yo pa vraiment nous beaucoup parler de kijan compagnie relé qui comme si ben un petit détail comment compagnie relé côté nous et ou même comment fonctionner.
So non compagnie c'est BELDLITES.
BELDLITES.
And I got the name because I'm Haitian, I'm a Zoe, so I know that everything that I create is going to be beautiful.
Which
so
is
that's
Belle.
where Belle comes in.
Okay.
D is for Dina.
Okay.
Delights. And then the light part is when I started making desserts, I would do miniature desserts. So something light, something small, and BELDLITES started. So that's les concerts joignent non BELDLITES.
Ok, combien de temps vous avez depuis fonctionner avec nos BELDLITES comme si compagnie?
Yeah, ça c'est cool. You did such a great job.
Yes, look at this. Yes, so combien de temps vous avez pour bailler communauté service avec BELDLITES?
3 years, so
Yeah.
So I just celebrated my 3rd year anniversary in February.
Okay.
On Valentine's Day, actually. So
Look at you, getting multiple gifts from everybody too. Okay, that's good.
now we got our colors. The green is supposed to be symbolic for our grass, and then we're gonna make miniature rosettes that are going to look like Easter eggs. So that's what we're going for.
Dis-nous qui step ça est pendant que nous faisons parler là.
Okay. So Kunya ma mette the buttercream into the bags with the tip of what we're decorating. So I'm getting my pastel looking green here. And yeah, that's what we're gonna do for all 4 colors.
Ok, dans commencement vidéo on te dit mon yo côté que nous moi m'a envoyé dans moment, but ou même est-ce que dit mon yo qui côté BELDLITES located and you know how can they reach out to BELDLITES pour faire bel gâteau pour eux ou bien communion, baptême, mariage, n'importe event là BELDLITES a passé vous, but m'a quitte faire passer ça parce que quand elle bien passé, you know so much more about it than me. So
It
go
is my
ahead.
baby.
Go ahead, tell us about your baby.
So BELDLITES is located in Orlando, Florida. I do private events, big events, small events. I have huge cakes that I make. I have small cakes that I make. You name it, I can do it. You can reach me at BELDLITES.com. Follow me at BELDLITES on Instagram, BELDLITES19 on TikTok, and if I didn't mention BELDLITES.com, I think I did.
BELDLITES.com
But you can complete an inquiry on the website,
Uh-huh.
and it comes directly to me. Give me about a day, and I will respond to you. And yeah.
Okay, so je vais te dire BELDLITES can budget for everybody. It doesn't matter combien cob, combien moun. BELDLITES a bon service là.
There's a project for you. Yep.
There's a project for you. Okay. Yay! Nous get cupcakes here they run là. Je ne sais you belle, you jeune. Cupcakes here like golden. Donc c'est là. They smell good. They smells really good. M'bakaten pour manger since I'm finna faire cupcake là. Nous finna faire cupcake. Correction. I'm not gonna do that. Correction. Nous finna faire cupcake. Nous pouvons mettre icing on the cake and then pour goûter pour nous, pour me dire nous qui goûte nous même tout pour nous aller dans website BELDLITES pour nous prendre cupcake par nous parce que I'm not playing. So get purple, then vero.
So we're gonna do this. So you
Wow.
Do that. Yep. Super easy. Did you see me do that? We're gonna do it again. We're gonna do it again. Okay?
Like that was so fast.
So it's just to do a symbolic of
This is so satisfying.
grass. Just to speed up the process.
Okay, did you know this part, like I love the entire show, but this one right here is my
favorite?
It's my favorite. So I'm ready to try some beautiful BELDLITES fluffy fresh.
Fresh.
Heavy and fresh cupcake. So
Let's do it.
let's go. I'm ready.
You ready?
Yes, I love cupcakes.
Yummy
Pumpkin.
in my
So
tummy.
do I like take a whole bite with
I am.
everything or?
Don't be intimidated.
That's not okay as well. Yes. It's good.
You see how light the icing is?
And I like you making it.
Through the camera. It's so good.
They came down to your website. The website. Check out the website and get you some of these cupcakes.
And then these are the cakes that I have here.
And we forgot to cheers. Is it too late?
It's not. Come on.
Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers to some cupcakes. That's good. That's really good. Okay. Let's not forget what we're doing. So anyway, manger cupcake yo vraiment bon. And then moi entouré avec des belles gâteaux. J'aime dire tout à l'heure que nous même tout nous ka gagner dans n'importe event n'a fait. Nous ka gagner dans n'importe restaurant, si tu besoin de cupcakes ou bien l'autre bagage que BELDLITES offre dans le website, ou dans le website, checker, contacter, et puis même, ou dire en allemand, je veux tout, which is no problem. So, do you have any last word for us before we close this out? Because I'm just trying to finish my cupcake.
Well, first, thank you so much for deciding that I was worthy enough to be on Manje. And then I just wanted to talk about these cakes. These, I kind of already said it, like we do wedding cakes. When I say we, I. A little bit of everything. And I would love to be part of your next event.
Yes, me too. Bring us to your next event because I am officially her assistant sometimes. So, n'a dit merci avec tout le monde qui branché en Manje, qui continue à supporter en Manje, qui continue à share vidéo avec famille, amis, m'a dit merci et m'a dit merci avec sponsor qui permettent que ça continuer qui c'est Da&Y qui n'a pas de pain, nous gagnons Rika Lux, nous gagnons GENYEN Best Finish, et puis nous gagnons Millennium Tax Services qui est dans Orlando, Florida, et puis nous gagnons Caméra étudiant qui a poussé sur social media qui sont grands support, sponsor. Now shout out to you, honey. And I'm going to dernier bagage pour BELDLITES. I got to cake là. So I'm going to be good.
Pardon.
Am I good?
You're good.
Good, thank you. So, this is for you, my dear. Thank you for having us in your castle, the BELDLITES castle. And we are so grateful to be here. And I bring you a little gift. Bye, Piti Bashish.
Okay.
So enjoy it.
Open it now? No, I'll open it later.
Non, ne pouvez pas réserver qu'on a pas besoin de sac là-dedans. J'aime dire merci encore une fois, merci à vous-même parce que vous prenez temps depuis de me rencontrer au moins parler des choses, vous êtes content, vous êtes parlé pour venir. And today you made it happen. And I am grateful for you, Queen. And this is it. So t'as mis plus vidéo, plus vidéo culturel, manger, gâteau, events, anything. Restez branchés en Manje. Non pas c'est Kevin, je fais soir, regardez en Manje. Ciao.